In the name of God, who is most merciful and most gracious. On 15th of April 2024, a project funded by Humanity First Germany was organized in North Macedonia. This project was in the field of knowledge for life. In this program, you can listen and watch some of the highlights of this program. North Macedonia is a landlocked country in southeast Europe. It shares land borders with Greece to the south, Albania to the west, Bulgaria to the east, Kosovo to the northwest, and Serbia to the north. Country has approximately 2 million population, out of which the majority is ethnic Macedonians, a South Slavic people. Ethnic Albanians are the second largest population in this country. City of Kumanovo has a majority Albanian population. North Macedonian State Statistical Office website, as well as from OECD, the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, and Program for International Student Assessment, commonly known as PISA. Their survey for the year 2022 contained detailed analysis of North Macedonian students' performance in the field of science, mathematics, and reading competence. Currently, North Macedonian students, out of 81 countries of the world which were surveyed, the North Macedonian students rank at 68th number. And mind you that total 81 countries were surveyed for these three things: the mathematics, science, and the reading competence. And from 81, the North Macedonian students ranked 68th. In view of this, just what I mentioned, the analysis, and to improve the performance of Macedonian students in mathematics and science, one of elementary school SHFK Jeronim D. Rada in the municipality of Kumanovo requested Mr. Shahid Butt, the country in charge of Humanity First, for the provision of 4 smart boards to be installed in the classrooms. Humanity First Germany was generous enough to approve the request. On 15th of April 2024, in a festive ceremony, the installation of smart boards in 4 classes were inaugurated. On arrival, the Humanity First delegation, comprising of Mr. Zubair Khan, one of Humanity First Germany director, Mr. Wasim Ahmed, and Mr. Shahid Butt, both missionaries of Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat, were given a very warm welcome by the school director, Mr. Mehmati Bairam. The education director of the municipality was also present in the event. Students greeted the Humanity First delegation with a welcome song.
Okay. Si që shifni me këtë tabel, ne punojmë gati 2 vite të plota, po ka interesim jashtëzakonisht të fëmijët, të nxënësit. Vetë edhe nxënësit do t'ju deklarojnë se sa me kënaqësi e presin orën që ta zhvillojmë këtu, jo vetëm lëndën e matematikës, po gjitha lëndë që i kemi në klasën e 4, po ashtu edhe në klasën e 3 ishmi vitin e kaluar. Tash në klasën e 4 i kemi librat këtu, edhe për çdo ditë do me thënë kemi punojmë, zhvillojmë me smart tablën. Tablën atje shka e kemi përdorë më herët, atë kemi lënë pak në pushim, tash, për shkak se kjo neve na vjen shumë më interesant edhe shumë më e kapshme si për mua, si për nxënësit. Edhe vetë nxënësit tash do të tregoj se cila më tepër ju pëlqen, smart tabla apo kjo e zakonshmja. Cilën e keni merak më tepër? Si ju duket ora? Ora ju duket më interesant me këtë, apo? Do me thënë ka jashtëzakonisht interes të madh lidhje me smart tablën. Edhe për këtë arsye ne jemi mjaft të kënaqur që i kemi momentalisht edhe që punojmë me këto, jemi jashtëzakonisht të kënaqur me këto.
Teachers of various classes presented live demonstrations how students will now be taught with the help of smart boards.
Hello, my name is Jan Sinani and I'm a 5th grader in the school Jeronim Derada. The smart tablet has helped me a lot and has made learning more fun and easier to understand.
Hello, my name is Agnesa Hadite. I'm a 5th grader in school Jeronim Derada. The smart table made learning more interesting and more entertaining. I was so excited about it.
My name is Melissa Jafeire. I'm a student in the school Yeronim Derada. The smart table has helped me a lot. It's very entertaining to learn with a smart table, and it's really fun and exciting to have a smart table in it.
Few students were also interviewed who showed their joy and happiness to have smart boards in their classes, and the students were hopeful that by this facility now they will be able to perform much better in their studies. Humanity First Director along with Mr. Shahid Butt advised the faculty as well as to students to take full advantage of the newly installed facility and try to improve their performance in the field of mathematics and science.
Organizatës juaj, ne jemi shumë mirënjohës për organizatën, do të thotë që na ka sjellë 4 smart tabela, ku edhe më herët 4, ku kemi pa dallimin se si është para këtyre smart tabelave, do të thotë interesi i nxënësve është shumë i madh dhe ne kemi pa të arsyeshëm si drejtori, do të thotë nga donacioni juve që ti dedikojmë pikërisht te smart tabelat ku nxënësit janë shumë të interesuar, do të thotë ku koncepti i ri kërkon, do të thotë edhe digitalizimi kërkon në smart tabela ku të gjitha librat janë të vendosura në internet dhe ne mund t'i shfletojmë aty për aty ku nuk na mungon asnjë. Kjo është një donacion i mirëseardhur ku presim edhe herave tjera, do të thotë që të furnizohemi deri në fund. Ju faleminderit.
Благодарност за донацијата. Општина Куманово веќе соработува со Humanity First. Не е ова прва соработка. Благодарност за таблите кои се дадени за Општина Куманово ќе послужат за учениците. Општина Куманово се труди да обезбеди повеќе смарт табли како во средните, така и во основните училишта, и за ова училиште ќе значи многу во напредок на реализација на воспитно-образовниот процес и се понатаму да нашата соработка со Humanity First продолжи. Ви благодарам.
In his Thanksgiving address, the school director, Mr. Bayram, appreciated the generous gesture of Humanity First Germany and promised the full use of this facility of smart boards by faculty members as well as by the students of the school. In his address, the municipality education director thanked Humanity First Germany for this donation. He also referred that few years back, Humanity First Germany also donated a vehicle for the transportation of special needs kids. He also promised that school facility and the students will definitely benefit from these smart boards.
Përderisa mësimi bashkëkohor kërkon që nxënësi të jetë aktiv, instalimi i këtyre tabelave nxënësin e ka bërë nga pasiv të jetë shumë më aktiv, të zgjojë interes për nxënësit, përdorimi i këtyre tabelave.
The teacher also appreciated this kind gesture of Humanity First Germany. At the end, acknowledgement shields were presented to Humanity First delegation, and then guests were served with homemade refreshments. And then this very inspiring event came to an end.